Hey there and welcome. Have you ever had one of those moments lately where you reached for something on a high shelf or got up from a low chair and just felt, well, a little less strong than you used to? Maybe carrying the groceries in feels like more of a chore now, or maybe your favorite walk feels a tiny bit longer and more tiring than it did even a few years back. If any of that sounds familiar, please know you are absolutely not alone. It's a really common feeling as we move through our 60s, 70s, and beyond. You see, as the years add up, our bodies naturally start to change. One of the big changes, and one that often goes unnoticed until it starts affecting our everyday lives, is a gradual loss of muscle mass and strength. It has a bit of a fancy name, sarcopenia, but really, it just means our muscles aren't quite as robust or as quick to rebuild themselves as they were when we were younger. And losing muscle doesn't just mean we're less strong. It can impact our energy levels, our balance, which is so important for preventing falls, and our overall ability to do the things we love and stay independent. Think about getting around, doing your gardening, playing with grandkids, or just having the energy to enjoy your hobbies. Healthy muscles play a role in all of it. Now, sometimes we might think this is just an unavoidable part of getting older, something we just have to accept. And while some changes are natural, there is so much we can do to slow down this muscle loss, and even rebuild some of that strength and vitality. And the exciting part? A lot of the power to do this is already sitting in our kitchens, in the simple, delicious foods we eat every day. We don't necessarily need fancy supplements or complicated diets. Nature has given us some incredible tools. That's what we're going to dive into today. We're going to explore 5 amazing, natural foods that are absolute powerhouses when it comes to supporting your muscles as you age. These aren't obscure ingredients you have to hunt for. They're likely foods you already know and might even love. We'll talk about why they work, how they help combat that muscle loss, and simple, tasty ways you can include them in your meals starting today. Because honestly, feeling strong and energetic isn't just about longevity, it's about living well with quality of life, and continuing to do all the things that bring you joy. So, let's start with our first muscle-boosting champion. And this one often comes up when we think about healthy eating, especially for things like heart health, but it's just as crucial for our muscles. We're talking about beautiful, delicious salmon. Now, you might think of salmon primarily for its amazing omega-3 fats. And yes, those are fantastic and we'll touch on why in a moment. But salmon is also an absolute top-tier source of high-quality protein. Why is protein so vital for our muscles, especially as we get older? Think of protein as the building blocks for your muscles. Throughout our lives, our muscle tissue is constantly being broken down and rebuilt. When we're younger, that rebuilding process is really efficient. But as we age, our bodies become a little less effective at using the protein we eat to repair and build new muscle fibers. This is why we need not only enough protein but often more protein than we did when we were younger, and we need to make sure that protein is high quality. Salmon delivers exactly that, complete protein, meaning it contains all the essential amino acids our bodies can't make themselves, which are necessary for that muscle repair and growth process. Including a good serving of salmon, maybe 3 to 4 ounces, in a meal provides a significant chunk of the protein your muscles are craving. But the benefits of salmon don't stop at protein. Those famous omega-3 fatty acids like EPA and DHA are crucial too. Beyond their well-known benefits for heart and brain health, omega-3s are powerful anti-inflammatories. Chronic inflammation in the body, which can increase as we age, can actually hinder muscle growth and recovery. By helping to reduce this inflammation, the omega-3s in salmon create a more favorable environment for your muscles to stay healthy and responsive to things like physical activity. It's like clearing away debris so the builders, protein, can do their work more effectively. Adding salmon to your diet doesn't have to be complicated. You can bake it simply with lemon and herbs, grill it, pan-sear it, or even enjoy smoked salmon on whole grain crackers or in a salad. Canned salmon is also a perfectly good, convenient, and more budget-friendly option. Just check the label for lower sodium if that's a concern for you. Aiming for salmon or other fatty fish a couple of times a week can make a real difference. It's not just a treat, it's an investment in your strength and mobility. Okay, so we've talked about the incredible power of salmon. Now, let's move on to another incredibly versatile food that's probably a staple in many of your kitchens already, and for good reason. It's affordable, easy to prepare, and an absolute nutritional superstar, especially for muscles. I'm talking about eggs. Eggs often get debated, especially regarding cholesterol, but for most healthy individuals, current dietary guidelines confirm that eggs can absolutely be part of a healthy diet, and they are spectacularly good for your muscles. Like salmon, eggs are a source of complete protein. One large egg provides about 6 grams of high-quality protein, and just like with salmon, this protein contains all those essential amino acids critical for building and repairing muscle tissue. The protein in eggs is also highly bioavailable, which just means your body can easily absorb and use it. This is particularly important as our digestive efficiency can change a bit over time. But eggs offer even more than just protein. The yolk, which some people used to avoid, is packed with valuable nutrients. It contains vitamin D, which plays a role not just in bone health but also in muscle function and strength. It also provides choline, important for brain health, and other B vitamins that help convert your food into energy, which you need to fuel any physical activity that also supports muscle health. So, please don't just eat the whites. The yolk is where so much nutritional goodness resides. Think about how easy it is to incorporate eggs. A couple of scrambled or poached eggs for breakfast, an omelet loaded with vegetables for lunch, a hard-boiled egg as a snack. They fit into almost any meal. They're quick to cook, satisfying, and provide that essential protein boost early in the day, which can be helpful for jump-starting muscle repair after overnight fasting. For seniors who might sometimes have smaller appetites, eggs are a great way to get a lot of nutrition, including that crucial muscle-building protein in a smaller, easy-to-eat package. Plus, they're gentle on the digestive system for most people. Making eggs a regular part of your diet is one of the simplest and most effective steps you can take for your muscle health. We've just scratched the surface with salmon and eggs, two fantastic protein sources that lay a great foundation for muscle health. But building and maintaining strong muscles isn't just about protein. It also requires the right kind of energy and supporting nutrients. We've just scratched the surface with salmon and eggs, two fantastic protein sources that lay a great foundation for muscle health. But building and maintaining strong muscles isn't just about protein. It also requires the right kind of energy and supporting nutrients. Think of protein as the bricks, but you also need mortar and the right fuel for the builders to get the job done. That's where our third incredible food comes in, and it's something you might already enjoy as a comforting side dish or a tasty snack: sweet potatoes. Now, when you think muscle food, maybe you immediately think protein. And yes, protein is absolutely vital. But your muscles also need energy to perform, to recover after you've been active, and simply to function properly throughout the day. They need good, clean fuel. And not all carbohydrates are created equal when it comes to providing that sustained energy without the sugar crash. Sweet potatoes are a wonderful source of complex carbohydrates. Unlike simple sugars that give you a quick spike and then leave you feeling drained, the complex carbs in sweet potatoes release energy slowly and steadily. This provides your muscles and your entire body with consistent fuel, which is essential for maintaining your activity levels. And remember, staying active is key to supporting muscle health alongside your diet. Beyond just energy, sweet potatoes are nutritional powerhouses packed with vitamins and minerals that indirectly but significantly support muscle function. They are particularly rich in potassium, for example. Potassium is an electrolyte that is absolutely crucial for muscle contractions and preventing cramps. If you've ever experienced a Charlie horse or muscle twitch, sometimes that can be linked to not getting enough potassium. Sweet potatoes also contain magnesium, another mineral that plays a role in muscle and nerve function, helping your muscles relax and recover. And let's not forget the vibrant orange color that tells you they're loaded with beta-carotene, which your body converts to vitamin A, an important antioxidant that helps reduce inflammation and support overall health, which in turn benefits your muscles. Incorporating sweet potatoes into your meals is delightfully simple. You can bake them whole, cube and roast them with a little olive oil and your favorite herbs, mash them, maybe with a touch of cinnamon and a tiny bit of butter, or even slice them thin and make sweet potato fries in your oven or air fryer. They can be a delicious and healthy side dish to your salmon or eggs, providing the perfect balance of protein, healthy fats, if you add a little olive oil, and complex carbohydrates. Having a source of good carbs like sweet potatoes around your physical activity, whether that's your morning walk, gardening, or a gentle exercise class, can provide the fuel you need and help with recovery. Think of them as giving your muscles the sustainable energy they need to keep going strong. So, we've got our protein builders from salmon and eggs, and our steady energy source from sweet potatoes. Now, let's look at our fourth food, one that's been gaining a lot of popularity, and deservedly so, because it's incredibly versatile and offers a unique combination of benefits for muscle health. I'm talking about quinoa. You might have heard of quinoa, pronounced quinoa. It's often called a superfood, and while that term gets thrown around a lot, quinoa truly earns its stripes, especially when it comes to supporting your muscles. The amazing thing about quinoa is that, while we often think of it as a grain, it's technically a seed, and it stands out from most grains because it's a complete protein. Remember how we talked about salmon and eggs being complete proteins with all the essential amino acids? Well, quinoa is one of the rare plant-based foods that offers the same. This is fantastic news whether you eat meat or not, because it gives you another excellent source of those muscle-building blocks. A cup of cooked quinoa provides about 8 grams of protein. But quinoa isn't just protein. Like sweet potatoes, it's also a source of complex carbohydrates for sustained energy. It's high in fiber, which is great for digestive health and helps you feel full and satisfied, preventing those energy dips. And it's packed with essential minerals that are vital for overall health and muscle function, including magnesium, again that important mineral for muscle relaxation and nerve function. Iron, which helps transport oxygen to your muscles. And zinc, important for immune function and protein synthesis. That's the process of building new protein. Adding quinoa to your diet is really easy once you know how to cook it. It's similar to cooking rice. You can use it as a base for salads, like a healthy alternative to couscous or pasta. You can stir it into soups or stews to boost their nutritional value. You can serve it as a side dish instead of rice or potatoes. You can even cook it with milk or a plant-based milk and a little fruit for a healthy breakfast bowl. Its slightly nutty flavor is quite pleasant, and it absorbs other flavors beautifully, making it very adaptable to different cuisines and preferences. Making quinoa a regular part of your meals provides your muscles with high-quality protein, complex carbs for energy, and a whole host of essential minerals they need to function optimally. It's a simple switch that can make a big difference in supporting your strength and vitality. So far, we've covered protein powerhouses like salmon and eggs and energy and nutrient providers like sweet potatoes and quinoa. We've talked about building blocks, fuel, and important minerals. Now, let's turn our attention to our fifth food, one that's convenient, delicious, and brings a slightly different but equally important mix of nutrients to the table for muscle health and overall well-being. So far, we've covered protein powerhouses like salmon and eggs and energy and nutrient providers like sweet potatoes and quinoa. We've talked about building blocks, fuel, and important minerals. Now, let's turn our attention to our fifth food, one that's convenient, delicious, and brings a slightly different but equally important mix of nutrients to the table for muscle health and overall well-being. We're going to talk about almonds. You probably know almonds as a healthy snack, and they absolutely are. But they offer more than just a tasty crunch. Almonds are a great source of plant-based protein. While you wouldn't rely solely on almonds for all your protein needs, a quarter cup, which is a typical serving size, gives you about 6 grams. That protein adds up throughout the day, especially when combined with other protein sources. Every little bit helps when your body is working hard to maintain muscle mass. Beyond the protein, almonds are packed with healthy fats, primarily monounsaturated fats, which are good for your heart and overall health. These healthy fats also help you feel full and satisfied, which can be helpful for managing weight and making sure you're getting enough calories from nutrient-dense sources. But the really interesting things almonds bring for muscle health are their specific micronutrients. They are an excellent source of vitamin E, a powerful antioxidant. Antioxidants help protect your body's cells, including your muscle cells, from damage caused by everyday processes and inflammation. This can help support muscle recovery and overall muscle health. And guess what? Almonds are also a fantastic source of magnesium. Yes, we've mentioned magnesium before with sweet potatoes and quinoa, because it's that important for muscle and nerve function. Many older adults don't get enough magnesium, and low levels can contribute to muscle cramps, weakness, and fatigue. Snacking on almonds or adding them to your meals is a delicious way to help boost your magnesium intake. They also contain potassium, another electrolyte vital for muscle function, and fiber for digestive health. Adding almonds to your diet is wonderfully easy. Keep a small handful in your bag for a quick snack when you're out and about. Sprinkle sliced almonds over your morning oatmeal or yogurt. Toss them into salads for added crunch and nutrients. Use almond butter on whole grain toast or with apple slices. Or simply enjoy a small portion on their own. Just be mindful of portion sizes, as nuts are calorie dense, but a small amount goes a long way in delivering those valuable nutrients that support your muscles and overall vitality. Incorporating a handful of almonds regularly is a simple, effective step towards nourishing your body and supporting your strength. So there you have it. We've explored 5 incredible natural foods: salmon, eggs, sweet potatoes, quinoa, and almonds, that are readily available and can play a significant role in helping you combat muscle loss and maintain your strength as you age. We talked about the high-quality protein in salmon and eggs, the complete plant-based protein in quinoa, the sustained energy from complex carbohydrates in sweet potatoes and quinoa, and the vital supporting nutrients like omega-3s in salmon, vitamins, like D and B vitamins in eggs, vitamin E in almonds, beta-carotene in sweet potatoes, and minerals, like potassium and magnesium in sweet potatoes, quinoa, and almonds, that all work together to keep your muscles healthy and functioning. Remember, these foods aren't magic bullets on their own. They work best as part of an overall healthy lifestyle that includes regular physical activity. And when I say physical activity, I don't mean you have to start training for a marathon. It could be simply walking more, gentle strength exercises using your own body weight or light resistance bands, gardening, dancing, or anything that gets your body moving regularly. Combining the right nutrition with consistent movement is the most powerful strategy for maintaining your strength and independence. The great news is that making these positive changes doesn't have to be overwhelming. You don't need to overhaul your entire diet overnight. Start small. Maybe try swapping your usual carbohydrate side for sweet potatoes a couple of times a week. Or make eggs a regular breakfast item if they aren't already. Add a handful of almonds to your daily routine. Try incorporating quinoa into a meal instead of rice. See if you can include salmon or other fatty fish more often. Small, consistent changes really do add up and can make a profound difference in how you feel and how capable you are of doing the things you love. Think about how much energy and freedom having strong muscles gives you. It's the ability to confidently walk upstairs, to lift and carry things without strain, to maintain your balance, and to simply have the stamina to enjoy your day to the fullest. It's about preserving your independence and your quality of life for years to come. And it starts right here with nourishing your body with delicious, natural foods like the ones we've discussed. This isn't about perfection, it's about progress. It's about empowering yourself with the knowledge that you have control over many aspects of your health, including your muscle strength. By focusing on nutrient-dense foods and staying active, you are actively investing in a stronger, more vibrant you. I really hope this was helpful for you. I'd love to hear which of these foods you already enjoy, or maybe one you're inspired to try incorporating more often. Please share your thoughts or any favorite ways you prepare these foods in the comments below. Your ideas might inspire someone else. If you found this video valuable, please give it a thumbs up. That tells YouTube to share it with more people who could benefit from this information. And if you haven't already, consider subscribing to the channel and hitting that notification bell so you don't miss future videos with practical tips and inspiration for living your healthiest, happiest life at any age. Thank you so much for watching and spending this time with me. Remember, every healthy choice you make is a step towards a stronger, more energetic future. Here's to nourishing your body, staying active, and living your best life.